Covax, the international scheme to ensure equal access to COVID-19 vaccines, is currently 140 million doses short because of India's continuing COVID crisis. Health Minister Nicholas Steele says due to the current shortage of vaccines available, the next shipment Grenada receives may not even be AstraZeneca.
That has definitely put a challenge on the Covax facility. Up to yesterday, we received bulletins on that. And it is possible that the second delivery may not be AstraZeneca. They are trying to make sure that it is, because there are other areas in the world that AstraZeneca is manufactured. One is in Sweden, I believe, and the other in South Korea. So we are working with them for that, but there are also, as you saw, some countries in the region have already received shipments through Covax of Sinopharm as well. So it may vary, and Covax, the Pan American Health, WHO, has always said that Covax would be a multiple of WHO-approved vaccines.
This, the health minister says, is another reason why persons should not hesitate to get the AstraZeneca vaccine, so they can receive both doses before expiration occurs. He says there is still time.
Final date, well, there's no final day because remember, you have between 4 and 12 weeks to take your second dose. So even if somebody came the last week of June, when the couple of days or the week before what we had in stock was expiring, they have another 12 weeks for 3 months for us to get more vaccines so that they can have their second dose. And I still would encourage those who would be doing that to still do that, because it's still better to have 60 to 70% protection against COVID-19 than the 90% protection or so that you would get with a second dose.
The U.S. has promised to provide aid to Covax in light of the shortage. U.S. President Joe Biden announced on Monday the U.S. will share 20 million doses from its surplus stocks of Pfizer, Moderna, and Johnson & Johnson vaccines before the end of June. This will be in addition to the earlier U.S. commitment to share 60 million doses of the AstraZeneca vaccine with other countries. Today, Grenada confirmed a total of 161 cases of COVID-19, of which 160 people recovered, with one recorded death. Presently, there are no active COVID cases throughout the state of Grenada, and a total of 395 people are in quarantine facilities. 16,034 people have received the first dose of the AstraZeneca vaccine, and 7,046 received their second dose. For GBN News, Beverly Tellisford.